When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the words out of my...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do it, baby girl. If you have not subscribed, please do go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and as well hit the notification bell. So with that, you may find when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, thank you, baby girls. Hey boos, what's up? I missed you. Anyways, today I'm up with this fall/winter full face makeup tutorial. Obsessed. Period. Okay. So yeah, to achieve the eye look, I use the Beauty Glaze pressed powder eyeshadow, and I'm loving the way it turned out. As you can see, I'm feeling myself, and I decided to go for boldly because we are in the vibe of bold right now. No long swacking. If you're interested, you want to see how I come up with this face, you don't know what to do, just stick around and enjoy. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll be glad to read out your wonderful uplifting comment. Thank you. Don't forget to do what makes you happy, baby girl. Mama taught you that. Period. Stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care of each other. Mwah. Let's jump into this look. All right, I'm super excited to be creating this look. Reason being, I'm going to be using one brand brush sets, which is a brush I reviewed on my previous video, which is from Jester. And the only thing that is missing is spoolie. We don't have spoolie, so we are going to be needing a hand of help from another brand. But other than that, all the brushes I'm going to be using, from foundation to contour, from contour, blush to eyeshadow, period. I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty mattifying primer. My face is already moisturized, like you guys know. What's that? I always moisturize my face before I come on camera, so I'm just going to prime. So we are going to be doing from 0 to 100. I'm super excited, guys, because it has been a minute since I do a really full face makeup on my channel. I like summer, but fall is my favorite season of the year. So I'm going to be taking Benefit Pro Less Matte Rescue Primer. It's going to hold back my skin, keep my skin intact. A little bit goes a long way. I love this product a lot. Like, they need to be on point. You need to look cute, stand out, you know. So yeah, and I'm going to let that sit 1 minute. And before I go in with the third primer, the Smudgebox Photo Finish Primer, I'm just going to apply that only on my forehead. I'm going to use my finger to apply it on my nose and on my cheek, the hollows of my cheeks, because that is the only place I need it. My forehead, which is my T-zone right there, and then my cheek. To spray my face to lock everything into my skin, I'm going to be taking the MAC Fix Matte Spray to observe. The Lancôme Tint Idol Foundation, and then the shade number 12. I hope you see it properly. Right on my face. 1 pump, 2 pump, 4, 5, 6. Top buffer brush, this one right here, because I'm going to use to apply my foundation. Is already washed, so yeah. It smells good. My mouth area, I hope I'm not forgetting anything, but if not, no problems, we ain't good. So even if it is super dense and thick, but at the same time it feels soft, it's not hitting my skin that I thought it would. So it's a plus. Okay, it's a plus for this brush right here. Guys, I'm really in love with this brush right here. This foundation brush is super soft on my skin. It's doing my skin good. It's not hurting my skin because I have a very sensitive skin. I've said it over again on my channel, period. This brush right here, oh my gosh, she's loving my skin. My skin is appreciating her effort, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it for sure. You see how we blend my foundation super flawless. It's not leaving any demarcation or mark, whatever. It's not leaving any mark or stroke on my beauty blender sponge, beauty blender. I'm just going to do extra finish. This is a must for me. To set my face, I'm going to be taking the Black Hop 2-Way Cake TW15B powder. But the minute I've used this powder right here, this is how it looks like. Just top brush right here. No, I'm going to be taking this one right here. Dab. Okay, do the dabbing. It's not I don't like this brush, it's just too fluffy for my liking. It can be fluffy, but not that too fluffy. You know what I mean? It's like it's too weightless. It has no weight, so but it's okay, it's a good. And no man, mama is not going crazy. She can deal with it. It's bearable, it's workable, period. To conceal, I'm going to be taking the MAC Studio Fix Concealer NW42 and NW45, but I'm going to use NW45 before I go in with NW42 because this one is a little bit reddish and this one is a little bit boomy. Quickly with the Hudabeauty beauty blender, I'm just going to press it together because it's a little bit too large because I just wet it, and which I love when it's half wet. W42. Taking this MAC Pro Long Wear Concealer in the shade NW50. It has been a minute, guys. I need to shake it and then press a little bit of my brush. I'm just going to use that to apply that to the area I want to contour.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the words out of my mind.
I'm going to be taking this brush from Stop, and this one is called Definer Buffer. This one right here. I'm just going to blend out my contour. I'm going to start from my forehead area, and I think this is also perfect to blend your contour. It's perfect, it's nice. It's also sculpty, as you can see. It's not too straight. I'm going to be taking this one right here. This one is called face paint. So let's see if it's going to do the job for me as my other brush. It's not together, but it's okay. I can manage it. Taking the Hudabeauty Beauty Bakery powder. This one is banana bread. Eye Studio Gel, and I'm taking this brush by Stop, and this one is called Detail Liner because I don't want my eye to run water. To set my contour, I'm going to be going in with the Naked Skin Ultra Definition Powder Foundation. This one is in Deep Natural. And this one is called Sheer Chic. So yeah, this one right there. This powder is a little bit dark, so I just had to be careful because I don't want a darker contour. I just want it to be warm. To be taking this blush by MAC. I love this blush a lot in fall, in winter, my favorite, and this one is called Raizin. Brush right here. Yes, Luxury Face Definer. to apply my blush. I knew it. I knew it. She knew it. I think since 2 or 3 days now, I've been using my Lancôme eyebrow pencil. I don't have a spoolie inside this brush set. I'm just going to brush my eyebrow into place. So I'm just going to start at the ends of my brow, which is almost at the middle. Just going to do a stroke like so. Basically, you guys have seen me a million times doing my eyebrow, but I'm just going to explain to you how I'm going to use these two brushes. This one is from Essence, yeah, Essence eyebrow pencil, and this one is in brown, if I'm not mistaken. Brown, yeah. This one is a dark brown, number 3.
Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.
Brownish one, and I'm just going to go ahead and start at the beginning of the beginning of my brow.
On the noise, say all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days.
And clean my eyebrow. To do that, you guys know my holy grail concealer infallible by from L'Oreal. We did. So I'm going to be taking this concealer brush. This one is cream shader. Yeah, cream shader. Wow, I'm impressed with this brush right here. This is going to be perfect for cut crease. To be taking this brush right here. This one is also from, this one is a concealer buffer. Just going to kind of blend it out a little bit. Taking the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. This one is in tan sand base, but I'm just going to gently take a very tiny quantity. I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid. Beauty Glaze pressed powder eyeshadow, super warm, and at the same time I want it to look a little bit dramatic, not too dramatic, you know what I mean, with soft crease. I'm going to be taking this shade as my transition color. This one is start from here today. Wow, what are you saying? Do you see that, baby girl? Oh my god, oh my god. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I'm going to apply it on the middle of my lid. Wow, that's beautiful. That's very beautiful. This one right here. Wow, wow, yes. This is a mufti yellow. This one right here, mufti yellow, is very beautiful. This one, my crease more. This eyeshadow, they are super pigment. Just going to dip my outer corner a little bit more so that we have a little bit of smokiness going on. Wow, I love this look, guys. I'm shook. I'm shook. So guys, I'm going to be taking the same brush. I'm just going to apply that shade on my brow bone. And I'm going to connect my upper eyeliner down to my under eye, my eyeliner, as you can see. So right now I'm going to remove the excess powder. I'm not going to be setting under my lower lash line with any color. I'm going to be taking this MAC Global Glow Highlighter Mineralize Skin Finish, and I'm taking this brush. Eyebrow with the Alveda brow gel. What are you doing? I'm taking this round pointed brush and I'm taking this beautiful saddle golden champagne gold. I'm just going to highlight my inner corner with. Spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Oil Control Setting Spray. Guys, without the lashes, the makeup isn't done yet, right? So I'm just going to be taking the Raizin lashes. Super cute. Line my lips. I'm going to be taking this Essence lip liner, and this one is in Deeply. I'm going to be taking this MAC liquid lipstick, and this one is in Old Lady glass, pink glass, pink glass. I don't need more. Just want the middle to have a little bit of highlights. So guys, that's pretty much it. I'm loving the way this looks. So now let me know in the comment section below. I'll be right back. I had to remove my hairband, remove the clips, and then I'm coming back to show you the finished look. Mama is coming back with a full package. Don't go anywhere, okay?
Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes don't last it long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own,